All praises is due to Allah. I just walked out of my house, and today you're going to witness a miracle. I'm going to go to the bird shack, and I am going to declare and I am going to decree birds to come to the bird shack. Now, as you can see, this is not planned. This is not take 1, take 2, take 3, take 4, take 5. Whenever you see me make my declarations, it's my first time. And I'm aware of some people may be thinking that I'm doing this all day. No, I'm not. I ain't got time to do all this all day. Mahdi wants to have fun. As you can see, I'm clean. All right, Mahdi's trying to have a little fun tonight. Okay, it's going to go down. My life is a movie. I bring life. I make the cartoon a reality. I make the cartoon a reality, and I just seen my friend. Ooh-wee. I just seen my friend that I work with. She just drove right past me. She doesn't even know she follows me. I bumped into her yesterday. She's a pretty white girl. Her name is Erica. Wow. All right, so let me just get on up here to this building. As you can see, I turned the camera off, but you never know what you might pick up if you keep that footage on. So I'm just gonna keep it rolling. Keep it rolling. If I don't need it, if nothing pops up during my ride here, I won't even put it in this video. That's not my sole purpose. I've already did the riding around showing you how these birds easily glide over me, just like the ladder rack on my company van by Easy Glide. Okay, license plate, Monterey. Got my name Monty in it. Got my address in it. Got my number 24 in it because I'm the last day. So this ride here to the bird shack is not spectacular. I'm not really focused on anything I can pick up, but I'm just keeping the video footage rolling for GP. Really a blue-eyed person. As you can see, the birds marking me, and that's the reason why I keep the footage rolling. You see, I keep the footage rolling for purposes like that. That was significant. Out of all people, those birds identified me. Getting back to Erica, not a blue-eye lover, but Erica and this girl by the name of Peyton, look at that one. This girl by the name of Peyton, they're cuties, man. They have that blue eye that I like. And especially Erica. Erica's blue eyes go a little darker than Peyton, but Peyton's blue eyes are marvelous. Especially her body. Okay, so I was just killing a little time talking about the girl that I just seen driving. We all take trips, we all do things, we all have our own lives, we all have our personal leisure. And I have followers. And sometimes during my day-to-day life, when I'm off of work, the people that are my followers, they're following me, okay? Twitter is really a app that was designed for me. I'm really the bird man, as you can see. I have the power of birds. okay? And Twitter has followers. Either you follow or you are following. Just like Instagram. That's going into the man whom Allah is going to get ready in an insta minute. As you can see that bird right there. That one's nice. Look at it. Look at it. It's flying. It's marking me. It's marking me. I don't know if you can see it, but you should be able to. Today was a good ride. I think I'm going to keep the footage in this video. Simply because of the dialogue and what I'm speaking and everything is just sinking. Now, I am about to pull up at the Bird Shack. They have one of these restaurants in Kingston. Why? Because it's all going into the King. It's going into the toe. It's going into the S-U-N. Okay? It's going into the Son, the man who knows. And that is Mahdi. I know the N. I'm from Indiana, I-N-D, and I preach the N, E-N-D. My life makes sense. Every job I had purpose. I was cutting grass because I had the big sword. I cut the golf course in Bear Valley. Operated all the different machines because I was the man walking around with the big sword. Right now, I'm painting in Bear Valley. Why? Because I'm the man that's going to be painting the 12 tribes of Israel. Now, as you can see, I just pulled up to the Bird Shack. I just pulled up right here. Just pulled up. All right. I just pulled up. You see that sign? Bird Shack. That is nice. That is a nice bird shack right there. Okay. Mahdi's here. Mahdi is here. You're going to see birds pull up. You're going to see birds. Watch. As you can see, people are being nosy, but Mahdi is here. And I just called for birds. Look. Mahdi just came outside. Now, I don't want to be weird because I'm telling you, this stuff is so real. We here. The devil trying to disrupt stuff. Well, he finna get shut down real quick. Because Mahdi is in the building. Mahdi is in the building. Okay? Now what I'm finna do is hit the corner real quick, incognito. All praises due to Allah. There go my birds. There go my bird. You see it? Allah has marked me as his messenger. See, there's my bird. That's what I was waiting on, okay? I told you, when I come here, I told you I'm gonna call a bird here. And that bird right there is real nice. And that's my other bird. I told you that when I came here, I told you up top when I got here. This is a small city. What are the odds of a man coming over here where it says Bird Shack? And I'm telling you that there's going to be birds flying. And Allah has put this anointing on me for the women, that I'm telling you that when I go places, these women are flirting, especially these older women, okay? I just got flirted on with the woman in the dang on gas station, okay, as well as the burger spot last week. What you guys just been witnessing is a miracle, especially right now. The time is late, so the birds already are going back. So for me to even see some birds, okay? What you guys witnessed was a miracle. As you can see, it's late, and we still got birds in my area, especially since I just pulled up. I just pulled up, guys. I just pulled up, okay? The birds are letting you know I'm here. Look. I hope this side can capture that. This is just as soon as I pull up. It's really late right now, okay? The birds in this area, man, they getting ready to start getting out of here. But they still here. That's a miracle. Then I drove all the way to the bird shack, and Allah permitted me to see birds still flying in that area, even after I cut the camera off and missed a bunch of birds. Al Mahdi is here. Al Mahdi is the prophet of the hour. Al Mahdi, you see that dish behind me? You see that dish behind me? You see that dish? Al Mahdi is that. Al Mahdi is the dish prophet. I'm telling you, I've been permitted to speak directly from Allah, and I don't take it for granted. I give him all the praises. I give him all of the honor. Al Mahdi is here. Shouts out to my people. Shouts out to Chantel. Shouts out to Martina. Shouts out to my real peoples. I am here. Mufti Mink, all you YouTube Islamic models wearing dresses, acting like bitches, is going into the judgment. Al Mahdi has said it. You're going into the judgment.